Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Micron Technology Stock step by step clearly. Begin by conducting thorough research on Micron Technology. Look into the company's financial health and recent performance trends. Analyze its quarterly earnings reports to understand revenue growth and profit margins. Review news articles and financial analyses that discuss Micron's market position. Determine the broader trends in the semiconductor industry and how they impact Micron. Set clear investment goals based on your financial situation and risk tolerance. Decide how much you are willing to invest in Micron Technology stock. Create a diversified investment strategy to mitigate risks associated with holding a single stock. Choose a reliable brokerage platform to buy Micron stock. Open an investment account if you don't already have one. Look for the buy option for Micron Technology in your brokerage account. Evaluate the current stock price and consider setting a limit order to buy at a specific price. Monitor the stock's performance regularly to stay informed about any changes. Stay updated on industry news that may influence Micron's stock price. Consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your investment from significant losses. Review your portfolio periodically to determine if adjustments are needed. Be patient and resist the urge to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Remember that investing is a long-term endeavor, and consistency is key to building wealth. Always educate yourself on market dynamics and investment strategies as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.